Today I have a vegan oatmeal. Has no milk or no dairy in it. I have 3/4 a cup of old-fashioned oats, a teaspoon of chia seeds, a tablespoon of ground flax seeds, and algae powder. I have the recommended serving. One and fifth teaspoon. And I got some frozen blueberries, about 20 of them. I'm gonna put 3/4 to a cup of water in here. I'll be back when it's cooked. So I cooked the oatmeal, so here it is. If you like it a little more liquidy, not like this, you can add a little more water. And the blueberries give it a nice sweet taste, so it's not, doesn't taste like sugar. But if you like more sweetness, you can add more blueberries or a sweetener. Thank you for watching this video.